Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Mailchimp automation not working, so your automated emails start sending properly again. Let's get started. First, log into your Mailchimp account and go to Automations or Customer Journeys. Find the automation that's not running and check its status. If it says paused or draft, click Edit and then Start Sending to activate it. Next, make sure your trigger is set up correctly. For example, if it's supposed to start when someone subscribes or makes a purchase, confirm that trigger condition is active and linked to the right audience or event. Then check your audience segment. If the automation is filtered to a small group or outdated tag, new subscribers may not qualify. Update the segment or remove unnecessary filters. Also, review each step in the journey. If any step has missing content, errors, or a deleted template, it can stop the entire automation. Fix those and save your changes. Finally, look for connection issues with integrations like Shopify or WooCommerce. Sometimes they disconnect and stop sending triggers. Reconnect them if needed, then test the automation again.